Okay, this is going to be a roading exercise, or commonly known as a goat rope. That's Ace and Bo. These two little Brittany's right here are going too. That's Ruby. She's 7 months old. And that's Cap. He's 3 months old. Trying to get them all in one spot to start is typically the most difficult part. There's Ruby, commonly known as Pixie, and Cap, close on her tail. Ace knows what's coming. He's just ready to go. Here we are starting out. I do about 7 miles an hour and let Ace semi-pull me along. It's so good for him. Keep an eye out for Cap. Oop, here he comes. He hasn't quite figured this out yet. He knows he wants to be with Daddy. There he goes. There's Ruby. Today. Okay, Cap, let's go. Oh, get out of the wheel, you knucklehead. Okay, let's go. Try to keep it between 7 and 9 miles an hour. It's enough for him to pull hard and work his muscles. Fast enough for us to move along. Well, look who showed up. Here. Now we lost somebody. Here he comes. Two peas in a pod right there, folks. Come on, Cap. Hey, Ruby Doo. Hey, Ruby Doo. This is just like a goat rope. Look out, Capster. The Cap is so little, I don't run it with anything except a regular collar. Of course, Ace has the roading harness. Ruby I run with the Garmin Astro around her neck, just for personal comfort, but for me, but also I want her to get her used to running with things around her neck, so when she ends up transitioning to the collar, it won't be a strange sensation for her. So good for him. His muscles are so strong right now. I just got a beep from the GPS, indicates that Ruby is either on point or stopped. I think she was in the water bucket, where we're all going to be here in just a minute. Here she comes now. I'll tell you what, there's nothing like a water bucket to get all the dogs together after a run. Come on, get in, Rubes. How many Britneys can you get into a water bucket?